Hey everybody, what's up? This is today's March 25th budgeting and cash stuffing video. Hello you guys. Let's see if we can do a little better on this video. I apologize. Everybody just getting home, but hey, I have to cook dinner, which I'm doing. I just took the pizza out the oven. Y'all, I ain't gonna act like this ain't the same day. So I'm gonna keep on going. I had to take the pizza out the oven. I made the salad real quick, and now I'm just trying to make my content for the next 2 days. Y'all, today, let's see what we did at work. Let's not play. I ain't gonna be making up days. So today is March 25th, and today we made $109. However, y'all, we did have some expenses. Now, I still didn't get my fast food and my snacks, but hopefully I'll be able to make enough. And if it ain't in the budget, honey, it ain't in the budget. So I ain't gonna do it. Okay? But so y'all, I won't spend it if I can't make that extra and have it, because no matter what, I don't want my rent to be late this month. And I'm on track if I just one day at a time keep it going the way I'm doing it. You know what I mean? Because that way, if I be on time this month, then that way we'll have the whole month. And I can break down littler portions. And plus, I'm about to start the job. Y'all, I start tomorrow, because that other video was for Monday. Today, Tuesday. So I start tomorrow, which is Wednesday the 26th. Okay? So we will see, but I'm willing, that they, they good people, and I, and me have an open mind and do my job, honey, because right about now I need that check. Okay? That's all I'm caring about is that check. And I'm already adding it up on my thing. I know you shouldn't do that, but hey, I'm like the shmoney. Your girl need the shmoney. And that check can supplement, hell, it can pay for my part of the rent. And it's part-time too. And then I have money to do other stuff, even though it's 4 days a week. But still, with that for show money, it take a lot of stress off. And I don't have to DoorDash like I was every single day. You know what I mean? So, that's what's up. So let's go ahead and holler at these expenses. So today, housing rent got $71 again. Fuel, y'all, because I had some over here already. If I think I've written it. Yeah, I wrote it as far as oh, I didn't even put fuel down for yesterday, y'all. It was only housing and oh yeah, because I'm a day behind on fuel. That's why. Because normally I have some in there to start me off with, and then before I come home or in the middle of it, I get some gas. And that's how I come up with my gas prices. So y'all, I got $6, because I was doing, my runs wasn't all that far. I ain't burning a lot of gas today, so I only wanted to top it off. And I topped it off with $6, and that got me 100 miles to start with tomorrow with that $6. Okay? And Seco Energy got $10. Yeah, and Seco got $10. I hope I didn't tell y'all we paid them on yesterday, because we didn't. Because Seco, everything is get done every 2 days. Last me 2. I'm going in 2s. Okay. So Seco was today, and the last time we paid Seco was on Why do I got this as 2s, y'all? This is the 3rd month, honey. I wish I was doing this in February. This is a 3. But anyway, y'all, Seco hadn't been paid since March 23rd. Ooh, I'm loving this. I can just ta-dow. I'm loving this. I am loving how I can see what my money is going. And look at how much money I done had in my pocket, y'all. Look at all them dollars. Look at what I done that touched my hand, either on my card or in my hand. You know what I mean? Okay. Now that's pretty dope. That's pretty dope. Dang it, y'all. Just imagine back in the day how the wives used to do the books, or the fathers, how people used to really budget. This is what I'm feeling like, y'all. Like I'm handling the books around this joint. I'm handling the books. Okay. All right. So now we see what we had spent the stuff on. And like I said, I haven't been making that much because I'm not, I refuse unless I really, really have to, y'all. Sorry, let me get a sip of water. But like, unless I really have to, like if it's 8 hours, I'll get y'all 8 hours, you know, and that's what it is. All that other stuff, y'all, especially just for some regular money, you know what I mean? I just, like nope, it feel good not coming home at dark. Now, sometimes, y'all, I will go out and work dinner rush, okay? And I'm probably going to be doing a couple of dinner days once I start this job. We'll see. All right, y'all. So today we cashed us in 20, 40, 60, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77. All right, y'all. Let's pay the bills first. You know what, though, y'all? It's going to come up one day at a time. Your girl going to be having other money because the bill's going to be caught up, okay? I just got to keep going forward. Y'all already know who this is. This the bills binder. Oh, I know. This is Jaden sold one of his sweatshirts. He came in here telling my mom, can you put $40, take it, this money, and then put it in your bank so you can cash out. I'm like, what? He told me I sold a hoodie at school. Jaden be trying to be fly. Let me make sure this money real. Yeah, he sold it at school. All right, I can get some change. I can get rid of some of these 20s. I mean, some of these ones around this joint. Let's see how many of these we can get rid of. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Okay. 30. 30. 30. Oh, 40. It's all it is right here. Let me make sure that's 40. 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Oh, okay, cool. All right, there go Jaden's money. So now, y'all, let's go ahead. Okay, so we owe $61 because I put that 20 in there and didn't give it no change. Yep, that should be right. So now we have 2, 4, 6, 8. So that was $71. I don't know if I said that. 10, 1, 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 2, 4, 6, 8. 3, 2, 4, 6, 8. 4, 2, 4, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 2. Is that right? I hope so. 492, y'all. I believe that's what it said. 492. Wait a minute, y'all. 2, 4, 6, 8. Yep, 392. I just hope that's right. Yeah, and I know this is 40. Okay, y'all. Enough of that. All right, y'all. So, we're going to put $1 in our dollar a day. As always. moving forward, we're gonna try to make sure we do that. Y'all see my burn? It's healing. I've been putting some oils on it and stuff. All right, y'all. Oh, let's put this change, y'all. I got the man, I brought his pizza to him. He said, I don't have no cash, but I got $5 in quarters. I was like, that's fine with me. I save change anyway. So this is a $5 tip. But we're going to put it in here. Might need some quarters, or maybe not. I normally keep my bowl. Okay, so let's get to Wheel Savings Challenge and see if we can complete his. Complete this and start another one. Let's see if we can finish it. So he has 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see if we can do that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Uh-oh. Okay. So this was a $9 challenge, y'all. It's his first one that I just started. And we're going to go to another one, too. We're going to see. So today was $3.25, 25, and this one's for $9. That was his first one, okay? So let's see if we have it now. Let's put this back to the back. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, that's probably why I had this extra $1. 9. So he completed. I was wondering how I got that extra $1. But that's why. So y'all, I hope y'all been doing okay. Let me know how y'all doing. I cooked pizza and salad, and I'm about to go chow down, honey child. I am about to go chow down. That's Jade money. I gotta put in the bank. So y'all, thank you guys so much for being here. You guys have a blessed day. See you guys later. Bye.